Alright guys, okay, today I'm going to show you another HIIT workout for you to do. We've got 4 exercises. At the first round, 45 seconds, second round, 40 seconds, and the third round, 30 seconds. 4 exercises, all of them are HIIT and core exercises. First exercise we're going to do is a squat with a bicycle crunch. So you've got your feet just wider than hip width, shoulders back, hands on your head, push your knees out towards past your toes, line with your toes, squat into heels, core tight, up and up. 45 seconds. Squeeze, abs, obliques, legs and core. You want to stay square on, go nice and low, load the squat. Squeeze, both sides, squeeze. 2 of 4 is a 4 shoulder tap burpee. So we're going to get onto a full press up position, onto all fours, hands shoulder width, parallel to your legs and shoulder width. I'll show you front on and then I'll show you side on. Remember guys, 45 seconds, as hard as you can, as stable as you can. See good quality reps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump up. 1, 2, 3, 4. As high as you can, as tight as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Side on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. So really starting to get tough. Exercise 3 or 4. Pretty straightforward. It's a backward stepping lunge, alternating legs, 45 seconds. So we're going to get nice and deep on the lunge. You go back nice and straight at a right angle, step back, interchanging legs, step back, abs tight, back straight. Start to pick up the pace, feel your quads and your legs burn nicely. Guys, good. Nice and straight back at a right angle on the lunge. You can see at a right angle. Good, you can either have your hands here guys, stay square on and balance, abs in. You can have your hands on your hips. Either way it's good. You don't want to be too wobbled. Nice and straight. Okay, the 4th exercise for 45 seconds again is plank jacks. So you've got an easy version. Onto all fours. Legs parallel to arms, back nice and straight. I don't want to see any of this. Abs in, glutes out. Starting there, tap, 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 tap. And the hard version is jumping out, jumping in. 45 seconds, back nice and straight, abs in. Jumping out. Really tight on the core. Start to feel it burn. Battle. Oh, tough. Guys, remember you want to keep nice and engaged in the core, and that is the 45 seconds. Remember, 40 seconds next after the breather, and then 30 seconds. 4 exercises, 3 rounds.